forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, jump. On a better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guys out.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, guys. I know it's been a long time since you haven't seen us, but we're here and we're good. And we're taking you to a secret river today. Yes, I'm going to show you a secret river. A few months ago we did one, Madafed River, and we said we're going to show you a few rivers in the area, secret rivers. So we are here today, another secret hidden river. Yes guys, so just follow us. You have to walk through a little bit of bush and forestry, but it's all good.
That's over nature.
Yeah.
Forestry. You walk to a little place.
Yeah, to get to one little park round one place. Yeah, that's it.
Run over there.
Alright then. Alright guys, so yes, as Outlaw said, forestry. But look, I just stopped so you can see the pathway. Just stop, look. I want to show you how far in we are. Look how far the trees go up. Yeah. This is what we're surrounded by. This is what we are surrounded by, guys.
Looks like a truck through.
Yeah, yeah, right? Look, on both sides. And it's just a little narrow track, as Outlaw says. Look, you can just hear birds. Birds.
Real nature.
Yeah, look at that. Alright guys, and the river is at the end of this. So, guys, I got my Crocs on, right? Because you look at the path, I have to negotiate. To make sure you come equipped. Right, good. Footwear and everything.
It's all good.
Yeah. It is beautiful though. Guys, just walking through this. Beautiful.
Real nature.
The roots.
You're going to hear a lot of different sounds.
Yeah.
Different birds, different creatures. Right there. At the end of this, I know you're going to like it.
Yeah, it's the beauty at the end of it.
At the end of this walk, you know you're going to like that. Fire, good man.
I see fire. Morning. Morning. Thank you.
Blessing.
Yes, guys, I see fire burning. Guys, what can you see? Oh my, how beautiful is that already? Yeah. Few people here. And this is when I like to come, when it's quiet. Yeah, a little more from this. It's Sunday today, people. A little more from this is going to be packed. It's going to be packed. So, yeah. Put the water, guys. Yes. Morning. Yes, guys, look. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my.
This is it.
This is it, look guys. We'll zoom in a little bit here.
This is what we call white river.
This is it. You're not going to dip your foot? Out like a dip his foot. Yes. This is it. Is it cold? Cool. He said it's cool, not cold. Cool. I should put that in slow motion. Do it again.
I think it's done it.
I know. Do it again. Don't. Trying to wake me up, people. Just wake me up. Yeah. All the way down, look. Yeah. Guys, look, somebody washing. Look, this is what I love, look. People washing.
All time something come up again.
Yeah. All the way down to the end. Beautiful. The lady washing. Script, 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 scripts. This is nature. Look at this.
Beautiful.
This is beautiful, man. This is what it's about. Guys, this is what it's about. And this is why I love Jamaica. This is why I love Jamaica. As much as I get frustrated with the place sometimes, it's not Jamaica, you know. It's not the place, it's the people sometimes that frustrate me, but I love it. You know? Yeah. Wade in the water. Sometimes, guys, some of you may know this place, right? By looking at it, some of you may recognize this place, but sometimes you see people tubing across here. Sometimes you might see a 1 and 2 raft coming along here as well. But it's like early Sunday morning. Well, not too early. It's like 10 o'clock on a Sunday morning. This man, he's obsessed. He's trying to whip me up. You stay there. Yes. But guys, this is tranquility. It's peaceful. It's, yeah. Peaceful, tranquil, and everything. Yeah. You just look right around. Right around. I'm gonna go dip my foot in the water, definitely.
You can, if you wanna.
Look how you went with yours.
There you go. Let me please. That's the geezer. Geezer taking the dip in the whip. What's that? What's E? Get out of here.
It's cold. You said it was cool.
Stop the foolishness. It's cool. Step on another, step on, make another step. And you'll find it cool.
Guys, it is cool. Like Outlaw says, it's cool. It's cold what the first you step in it, but it's cool. Yeah.
5 seconds, you're alright.
Yeah. Look at this, guys. Just see through. Look, you see right through it. Clean and pretty.
Look there. You're not cooler than that.
Oh yeah. You see them? Yeah, see it there? Yeah. Little fish, yeah.
Start up in the water if you need it half with a nice steady.
Yeah.
Yeah, they took out everything off your foot.
Little fish there. Yep. Yeah. But guys, just look how clear the water is. Look, just look how clear it is. Where? Oh yeah. That was mango tree. It's a big one. Big, massive mango tree. But yeah, look at how clean the water is. Look how clear the water is. Yeah. On a Sunday morning, we like to come here sometimes. Yes. Just chill. Beautiful, isn't it? Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Alright. No. Where? Over there. Yes, people. And of course, guys, as you know, if you want to come here, we'll take you there as part of that Mr. Tours. Of course we will. Yeah. It's just beautiful, quiet, serenity, tranquility, all of the T's. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah. Mm.